Hey everybody, so welcome back to video number 2 on the Celestial Odyssey, because I kept saying Celestial Odyssey palette. I'm trying to do 30 looks for the whole month of September. It's August now while I'm filming this, but this is for September. So, look number 2. Don't know what I'm going to do, but I want to do something. So, let me go ahead and prep my eyes, and then we will get into this. Alright, eyes are prepped, and I went ahead and prepped it with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Eye Primer. I mean, this thing lasts quite a while. I did this with the Natasha Denona, the Rose Decadence, the last palette focus. Now, I still got quite a bit, and I think I might use it all. But I think the first thing I want to get into is probably Saturn Sunset, which is going to be this guy right here. This one. Hello, D. And I'm going to go in with a big fluffy brush. Do I want big fluffy? Going in with a fluffy from here. Something like that. Dip it into this. I kind of want to do something a little romantic with this. So let's see what kind of romantic we get out of this. Where is... Hi, hello. There we go. And I hate warms, but putting this right into the crease, and then just really start to build up the color. Oh yes, this is real nice, real nice. So just putting this into the crease, and switching over to more of, yeah, let's try something like this to fluff it out. And then let's go and start to just really build up that color. There we go. So, something romantic for this look. I'm not too sure how romantic we're gonna go, but we're gonna go pretty romantic. Some kind of romantic. And then going in with, yeah, it's getting so hot in here that this side's actually coming off. But just really begin to buff out the color. Because from here, there we go. Let me go ahead and do the other side, catch it up to par, and we will be right back. Alright, so here we are, looking like sister. And next, I actually want to go in with Heavenly Body, which is going to be this one here, Heavenly Body, right? Yeah. And with a flat brush, going to really get into this. And I hope it's as foiled as I hope it is. And I'm just going to begin to put that right there. Oof. Oof. It's got some body, y'all. Actually, let me see if I could do... There we go. Fingertip. A lot more better with the fingertip. And just really begin to zhuzh it on. Perfect. There we go. And in the inner corner, I actually want to go in with Galactic Glow, which is going to be this one. I kind of feel like the contrast, hopefully they can blend into each other, and this is definitely more of a satin, I feel like. There we go, almost like a frost. Champagne. Perfect. Then going back in with the big fluffy brush just to really blend out the Saturn sunset again. Because next, oh, that's frosty. That is beautiful and frosty. Next, I'm going in with the liner brush and I'm going to go into, what is this? Noir Moon, the deep brown Nocturne, which is this one. And I am very curious as to how deep brown this thing will get. So let's go ahead and start off with, oh, that's actually pretty dark. Oh, that is very dark actually. This is like such a deep, beautiful chocolate brown. And going in with the fluffy brush and just blend that out. Actually, let me dip some into this and really begin to deepen that outer V with it. And into the crease. And just really begin to deepen that outer V. Perfect. Oh yeah, this gets really dark. I mean, look at that. That's some dark cocoa chocolate type of color going on there. Perfect. And then I'm just going to really start to create right along the lash line. Perfect. Awesome. So let me go do the other side and we will be right back. Alright, so this is where we are at. I actually really do like this. So what did we put on it? Quite a few colors, that is for sure. But this is definitely coming out a lot better than I was expecting. So let me go ahead and do the rest of my face. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do something on the bottom as well. I think I'm just going to do the dark brown to smoke out the bottom. And then also a little bit of the Saturn sunset, Saturn sunrise, whatever it was, as well on the bottom, just so it's a little bit more cohesive. But I'll see you guys in quite a few moments. Alright, so here is the final look. As usual, it is getting really hot up in here. But this is the final look of everything. I went ahead and used the brown to smoke out the bottom and added this, what is that called? Galactic Glow. And actually used that as a brow highlight as well, the Galactic Glow. So yeah, that's that one. Went ahead and did the Man Eater from Tarte as liner for now. But I think eventually I want to go everything Pat McGrath. For blush, I am still using the Be a Light in light medium. And actually mixed the bronzer and blush together and actually went in a different motion than I normally do for blush. Just because I wanted to do more of a different type of feature. So I went from here down diagonally this way. It's kind of how I created this effect. So yeah. As usual, everything on the face is more, actually, I love this palette. And I wish I still had it, or if I could find a place that still has it, because, yeah. Anyways, for lips, I'm going to go ahead and use the Naked Rose from Pat McGrath, just to really tie in the look. Keep everything Romantic. And I swear her lip gloss formulation does not disappoint. So it is my goal to have my kit fully consist of Pat McGrath, Charlotte Tilbury, and Fenty Beauty. It's all I want in my kit. So yeah, this is the final look. And let me turn off the ring light so we can see what we are working with. So natural lighting. Oh, a little too much lip gloss. So this is natural lighting, and this is what my skin looks like in real life with the ring light. I think, let me turn this down. I mean, even right there is nice. So yeah, this is the final look of the Celestial Odyssey, look number 2. So that means 28 more looks to come. One look for every day of the month. So this is definitely more of my take with the romantic aspect of it. Yeah, I mean, this brown is actually a lot darker than I was expecting. And I think, yeah, because we got some greens that I really want to play with. Some of the lavender and silver will be really nice. I mean, we have quite a few looks to create, but I will still be using black, probably from one of the Mothership palettes, and maybe like a dark purple from a different palette if I want to really create that depth and that look I'm going for. But for the most part, do my best to use nothing but every color from this palette. And these are what, I think 1.2 grams worth of product each. And even having that amount of product to go through for eyeshadow lasts quite a while. And I do really enjoy that her quads for holiday for this one were actually smaller pans, because you're able to go through everything a lot more quicker and faster. I think I actually want to amp up the blush. No, because without the lighting, this just looks so beautiful. Focuses on the eyes, dramatic, drama, loving, living. I might do the Venetian. Or more bronzer for the blush. But anyways, this is what the final look looks like, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, if you have this palette, play around with it a little bit more, because there are so many more looks coming your way.